Today I'm going to share with you a delicious corned beef recipe. To start, you need a 3-pound flat-cut corned beef with the seasoning packet. To start, you want to remove the beef from the package, rinse it well, and place it into a slow cooker, fat side up. You want to sprinkle that packet of seasoning mixture over the top of the corned beef and add in 1/4 cup of water. Once you do that, you want to cook the meat on high for 4 hours, adding in the onions, carrots, and cabbage to the corned beef and enough water to cover the beef just barely. After the time has passed and it has cooked on high for 4 hours, continue to cook on high for 2 additional hours. You will know it's ready when it flakes off and is fork tender. Now once it is finished, you can serve this up with a side of cornbread. It is perfect every single time. If you like, you can also add whole new potatoes with the skin on. Just make sure you check for doneness by sticking them with a fork to see how tender they are. And you can also adjust the cooking time as needed for those potatoes to cook. So as you can see here, our corned beef is tender. It is cooked all the way through, and we are ready to serve up the perfect plate with a little bit of everything. That delicious boiled cabbage, which has cooked in all that seasoning packet that came with the corned beef itself. You also have in here some carrots and onions, which I think are perfect. Served with a side of cornbread, there you have the perfect corned beef recipe, Appalachian style.